everyone, I'm Shahnaz back again with another video, and today in this video we'll be talking about generics in Dart. And fairly this is a new concept for you in Dart, and this might be categorized into an advanced topic, but it's not. It's very easy, and you can easily walk through it. So create a new folder by clicking on the second icon. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, advanced. Just create a new folder name as advanced, and within advanced create a new file known as generics.dart, and in the generics.dart write the main method. So before going into the generics, I want to tell you that what is the normal procedure, and then I will discuss with you that why we use generics in Dart or any other programming language. Okay, just say that you have a list, okay, and you give the name my list. I've talked about list and all other collections in the previous videos, so if you haven't checked it out, just check it out. So list, and this is how you declare a list, and then you can add things in the list by like this, and you can write your name, and then you can add like this. You can add many names, okay, sorry, Batman, and you can add, let's take Superman, and like this you can add many more, and there is no issue if you add an integer value as well. Okay, and let's run it. Let's zoom a little bit and let's head up into the terminal and write cd advance and then dart generics.dart. Oh, oops, I haven't print my list, so that's why, sorry. Yeah, it came, and now I'll run it. So it is coming, Shion, Batman, Superman, 1 2 3. Okay, now you can now you want to restrict your list with strings or integer. Okay, so when you want to restrict your strings so that your code isn't being misused, so that's why generic is being used. So if you use generic in your list or any other data structure, then it means that your list or your data structure is limited to that data type. Like if you have to add like this, and the moment I will add the data type string, you can see something. You can see that it is showing an error in 123 because it is a type of int. 123 is a type of int, so it is giving the argument type int can't be assigned to the parameter type string, because my list.add is expecting you to pass a string, not an int. So that's why. Similarly, if you change it with int, you can see it is expecting a string here, an integer here, and you are passing a string. See, the argument type string can't be assigned to the parameter type int. Okay, so let's flip it back to string and let's remove it and let's run it. Yeah, it's giving Shion, Batman, and Superman. So we use generics to restrict our data structures or a list, to prevent the misuse of the data structure and want to restrict it. So this much for this video, and if you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And after completing this course, I'll be coming live and teaching you Flutter, and I'll be taking most interesting topics on Flutter. So stay tuned guys and subscribe our channel. And if you are new here, you can join our WhatsApp group, which is in the link in the description. The link is present in the description. So see you there in the next video. Bye bye, take care.